Alrighty then, guys. Hello everyone, it's your boy, Danny Del Fuego. If you're wondering why I'm wearing this goofy big flannel, it's because it's cold in my room. And I don't want to use heat. Alright, so saw this at the store. Let me show you real quick. This is the Nutro So Simple Chicken and Duck recipe in bone broth. Good start. And next we got the Nutro So Simple Chicken recipe in bone broth. Bone broth. Yeah, alright. So basically, right, I was working late night in the aisles of the pet section at Walmart because I work at Walmart overnights. I'm stocking these things, right, and I look at them, and I'm really thinking, wow, these almost look like they could be real food. Yeah, here we are. So this is kind of a joke. This is kind of a meme, but also like, you're gonna see the ingredients and you're gonna be like, wow, that like kind of looks like food for a minute. This thing got quail egg in it. It got quail egg. This is the most bougie thing I've ever reviewed on Microwave Masterpieces, and it's actual literal dog food. So without further ado, so I mean, regardless of whether you wanted to or not, you're gonna find out which one is better on this episode of Microwave Masterpieces. Let's get cooking.
Nope. What do I press to shoot now?
Yeah, I don't think he knows what he's up against. Jokes aside, I mean, it does look, I mean, it doesn't give me like strictly dog food impressions, you know what I mean? Let's take a look with my real glasses, because I'm a real person. So it's got little bits and pieces. Okay, so it's got like a real quail egg in there, like a full, probably like a half a quail egg in there. A little cut up green beans and carrots. Like the chicken looks pretty high end. What am I doing? Why am I here? So without further ado, we're gonna be trying some of this So Simple chicken soup. Yeah, it's not very well seasoned. It's a bit spongy for my taste, personally. You get that iconic chicken poultry flavor. Try a bit of these vegetables. It's all just kind of bland. It's a little unfortunate, because this could be a really nice meal. Like, hold on. Actually, we got the quail egg here. Quail egg taste test. Quail egg taste test. Alright, yolk is not solid at all. It's like pretty much just a paste. And then the white part of the egg is just like, oh, it's really chewy and weird. Not really a quail egg enjoyer as much as like, a normal chicken egg. I guess the chicken budget was already expended on the chicken that went inside. One second, let's test a theory real quick. We got some nice pink Himalayan salt. Let's give it a try. A little bit of salt added on top for flavoring purposes. Oh, I didn't get to try any of that bone broth. Hold on. See, like, okay, let's try it again. Yeah, it's not that bad. A little more salt in there, you know. A little more salt couldn't hurt. Couldn't hurt eating dog food. Yeah, like it's once you only taste salt. I mean, it's got the main ingredients: quail egg, carrots, chicken, bone broth, green beans, and flaxseed oil. It's got all the iconic ingredients. It almost tastes like human food now. Yeah. Alrighty then. So now that we have tried the chicken recipe, we're gonna get on to the chicken and duck. Really looking forward to that one. Let's get into it.
That was easy.
So that was life-changing. Yeah. So we're gonna get on to the chicken and duck one. These things gotta go. They gotta get going. I have real glasses now. Yeah, so there's like a clear difference between the chicken and the duck. The green beans are actually smaller cut than the other ones, and there's less carrots, but it actually keeps a potato in this one. The other one did not have that. We're gonna just give this a taste test right about now. Let's dig in. I mean, yeah, it's chicken. What can I say? That was chicken that I ate. I ate some chicken. That's what happened. I think this is some duck. Let's do some duck going. Okay. Yeah, that's a slightly different texture and a slightly different flavor. A few potatoes to taste. Nice and soft potatoes. Nice. Not bad, not bad. Now the real star of the show. That's the thing is, like, dogs don't eat salt. So basically, since dogs don't eat salt, they don't need to put any salt in the dog meals. There is a lot of meat in this one. Like, look at that. The other one had some quail egg in it, so it didn't have quite as much meat. But that is wow, that is a lot of meat. Yeah, I mean, a bit moist. A bit like has been sitting in a thing of broth for a long time. But I mean, like, KFC's in shambles, so it's fine. Oh. Is doing what I'm doing, like, safe or okay? I mean, I don't feel too good already, to be honest. So, yeah, with that out of the way, let's get into the final.